Hey guys, it's your boy Adrian and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing a topic which was recommended by one of my viewers, which is willing things into existence in your dreams. As mentioned in my previous videos, if there are ever any topics that you guys would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below and I will gladly make videos about them. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to everybody that has been watching my videos and to my subscribers. All of your support means the world to me. Please smash that like button if you find my videos helpful and subscribe to my channel so we can continue learning about our dreams together. So let's discuss today's topic. I can guarantee that in your dreams, you can 100% spawn objects or will things into existence. I've done this on a small scale and a large scale as well. I'll be sharing a dream with you where I did this on the largest possible scale that I've ever done. The dream started with me in a busy city area with lots of people, cars, and sounds. It was like sensory overload for me. I stood at a crosswalk in between some buildings. I looked at the people that were walking by me. I watched the cars that were driving by me on the street as well. And I noticed how everyone was so focused on whatever they were doing and wherever they were going. I'm not very fond of busy city areas, so I wasn't very happy when I was placed in this dream setting. With so much going on and me being in an area that I wouldn't want to typically be in, I realized that I must be in a dream. This is when I went lucid in the dream and I was now ready to start doing what I wanted to do. And the first thing that I wanted to do was get the hell out of the city. I looked upwards towards the sky and I used my vision to gaze at a building that was in front of me. It was so tall that I couldn't see the top of it from where I was standing. So I leaned backwards as far as I could to try to see the top. My vision was fixated upwards for a few seconds. As I continued looking up, I noticed that the sounds in the city stopped. The cars stopped beeping, the footsteps of the people stopped, and it just became quiet. I brought my vision downwards to see what was in front of me, and everything was gone. The cars, the people, the sounds, everything had disappeared. Even the buildings that I originally saw were gone. I was now in a barren, concrete area. It looked like a fresh landscape in a video game where you could place anything that you wanted. My wish to leave the city came true in a sense, but rather than leave the city, it was cleared out for me instead. Now that there was so much open space, I thought that I could make this area whatever I wanted. My first thought was to spawn a building. I didn't really know what I had to do to make the building appear. So intuitively, I took my right index finger and my middle finger, put them together, and made an upwards motion with my hand. This looks similar to Nappa in Dragon Ball Z when he destroys a large portion of a city using one of his attacks. In my mind, I just thought the building would spawn from the ground as a result of me doing this. I really didn't think this would work at first, but suddenly the ground started shaking and it felt like an earthquake was about to happen. As I held my fingers in that position, a massive concrete building started erupting from the ground and raising upwards into the sky. More and more of the building kept appearing as the ground shook, and my eyes widened in amazement as I watched this happening in front of me. I kept thinking to myself, how is this even possible? The ground continued shaking and dust started flying everywhere. So I covered my face with my hands, but then the shaking and the dust settled. A fresh, new skyscraper was right there in front of me, and all I did was think it and move it into existence. So now I knew that I could do this in future dreams, and as long as I believed that I could do it, it would happen. This concept relates to my previous video about me seeing Luffy in a dream. I believe that as long as you think that you can do something in a dream, you will literally be able to do whatever you want. I stood there looking at the building and I was so proud of myself because I had just discovered something new in my dream practice. The joy and excitement that I was feeling caused me to get too worked up, and that made my dream vision fade away. I woke up in my bed and knew that I could now will anything into existence while in my dreams. And if I can do this, you can do it too. That's it for today's video, and I'd like to know if you guys have done something similar in your dreams. Also, once again, if there's any topics you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so we can keep on learning about dreams together. Until next time, guys, sweet dreams.